Hey guys, this is Lici LadyBarber and I'm going to share a few tips to help prepare you for your haircut at home. First, you'll want to gather all your supplies. You'll need clippers, trimmer, foil shaver, attachment combs, a small brush, and a handheld mirror. Next, choose your work area. The best place to cut your hair will be in the bathroom. A well-lit area can ensure you see all stray hairs and that your fading is even. And you can benefit from the mirror in the bathroom and the counter space necessary to lay out all your supplies. Before starting your haircut, clean and oil your clippers for optimum performance.
Use Andis Cool Care Plus to clean and disinfect your clippers. First, turn the clipper on and face the blades towards the ground. Spray at least 6 inches away. This can also be used to keep your clipper cool, lubricate your tool, and prevent against rust. And finally, wipe clean with a towel.
Wondering how to choose a good length for your haircut? The key here is understanding how to create balance with what works best for your face shape. An oval face shape is considered the ideal face shape, and your options are pretty much open to your preference. If you have a round face shape, keep hair long at the top and shorter on the sides to slim down the face. If wearing a beard, keep the length longer to add length on the lower half of your face. For longer face shapes, shorter length on top works best to shorten the appearance of the face. Consider keeping some length on the sides to help widen the face. And wearing a mustache will help break up the illusion of a long face shape. To balance a square face shape, keep longer length on the top to comb over the sides to soften the corners of your forehead. If you wear a beard, keep it short to avoid adding width to the jawline. If you have a wide forehead and a narrow jaw, keep the hair short on top and consider wearing a full beard. If you have a narrow forehead and a wide jaw, keep length on top to create fullness around the hairline and consider shaving facial hair or keep the beard nice and tight. For face shapes with wide cheekbones, it's better to add volume around the hairline and keep a full beard to balance the slender features at the jawline. Now it's time to check your scalp. Watch out for skin tags, moles, scars, or any other areas you want to avoid injury. Consider using an attachment comb to conceal unwanted features. And finally, wash your hair prior to cutting your hair to remove product buildup, bedhead, or any other discrepancies that will keep your hair from being cut evenly. Make sure to cut on dry hair only when using clippers. Wet hair is not good for the clippers and may actually pull at the hair instead of making a clean cut. This happens because when hair is wet, it clumps together and could clog between the blade. And remember, less is more. I recommend starting with the largest attachment comb and work your way down to the desired length you're looking for. You can always cut more hair off, but you can't put the hair back on. And these are just a few simple tips to help set you up for success.